limit 0, 0, 1, 4. Then the force is xy I cap plus dy j cap. Zero, 0, 1, 4. This will expand it xy dx plus x square y dy. No, that path is given, no? So what I should do is, so we have, what is the path? Path equation is this one, no? 4x squared. So what I can do is dy is equal to 8x dx. No, in place of y, can I write 4x squared? Yes, in place of x square, can I write y by 4? Look at the way this question is being asked. So this should be y is equal to what? I'll write 4x square. And I'll shade it. So there, that we have replaced here. So this will be dx. And x square what? I'll write it as y by 4 y dy. Now break up the limit. This will be 4 x cube dx 0 to 1, 1 by 4 y square dy 0 to 1. Calculate. You'll get the work done by that force along that path. Can we check it? This value will be 19 by 3 will come. Is it a conservative force? How to check it conservative force? We'll calculate work done along the path OAC. Then if WOAC equal to WODC, then it'll become conservative. Getting the method? Along the specific path as shown. Or you can pick up any path, OBC or OAC. So let me directly go for work done along the path OAC. So the limit will be 0, 0, 1, 4. The expansion of this will be xy dx plus x square y dy. First I'll move from O to A, no? The idea of this is, so when I'm moving from O to A, what is the value of y? Y will be 0. Path is different here. Path OAC here. So the limit will be here 0 to 1 y x dx. It is like this, x square y dy, then 0 to 4. In place of y, what I should write? In place of y, it should be 0. In place of x, I should write it as 1. So they should be equal to OAC. So in place of y, it is 0. Integral of x dx 0 to 1. This will be 1 square y dy 0 to 4. 0 plus this will be y square by 2. So this will be 4 square 16 by 2, 8 joule. Look at work done are different, no? So therefore it's a conservative or non-conservative? Non-conservative nature. Here it is. Okay, okay. Thank you. Okay, are you able to get this one? So there's a method of finding out conservative or non-conservative. That yellow blue color I'm shading it so that it'll be easy for you. What we did. So what is a work done in different path is different, no? So WODC not equal to WOAC. So therefore F is non-conservative. Almost all questions are of same type. So let me introduce to the graphs one, something very important. Remaining questions are there in that one, so you can, I'll focus on some graph problems. So here first, the graphs here. So fx graph, what that fx graph will indicate. Completed. I to introduce the graph concept.